If you flip a coin, will it land on heads or tails? Can you predict which number a die will show? Let's discover probability. Probability is a number that tells us how likely something is to happen. 0 means impossible. 1 means certain. Values between 0 and 1 show different chances. The sample space is all possible outcomes. For a coin, the sample space is heads or tails. We write it in curly brackets. For a die, the sample space has 6 outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. An event is one or more outcomes we're interested in. Example 1. What's the probability of rolling an even number? The even numbers are 2, 4, and 6. That's 3 favorable outcomes. We divide favorable outcomes by total outcomes. 3 divided by 6 equals 1/2, or 0.5. So there's a 50% chance. Example 2. A bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. What's the probability of picking a red ball at random? Total balls equal 8. Favorable outcomes equal 5 red balls. So probability equals 5 over 8. This cannot be simplified further. Many students divide favorable by unfavorable instead of by total. Always use total outcomes as the denominator, not just the other color. Remember, probability equals favorable divided by total. It's always between 0 and 1. If your answer is greater than 1, check your work. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more probability questions. Keep learning.